opinion ng ating mga former board member ng PhilHealth, si Al Cabaling. Go ahead.
Good afternoon to all. Actually, I just flew in. I was looking around. Maybe I was the one who arrived here early. I took the early flight. A lot of this, what we're talking about, especially Tulfo and si JB, Senator JB, natumbok nyo naman yung lack of information, and I could reduce it to incompetence.
Sir, ba't parang Tulfo lang tawag mo sa akin? Parang bastos ka ata.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Senator. Sorry, Senator.
Please address everybody, Mr. or Secretary or...
Mr. Hindi ko po sinasadya, Senator. And Senator Bongo, Mr. Chair. Tumatama kasi yung sinasabi nyo na mayroong lack of information. Marami na kasing na-improve ang PhilHealth na benefits. Kami mismo sa board, alam namin na talagang hindi alam ng mga tao na mayroon na palang ang daming benefits na increase. This happened in 2023. In fairness kay Ledesma, at saka nung pumasok si Ted, maganda ang nangyari. DOH Secretary.
Dapat siya nasa military ka kasi tinatawag mo ng family name ng mga tao rito. Doktor ba kayo, sir? Are you a doctor?
Nasanay lang kasi ako kay Secretary.
Galing ka ba sa military?
No, nasanay lang kasi ako kay
teacher ka ba,
Secretary.
Please respect people here.
I'm sorry, I don't mean it though.
Huwag mo nang tawagin ng mga family name yung mga tao rito, family name basis.
I'm sorry.
Galangin mo, sir, mag-Mr. ka sa mga tao rito. Secretary, Director.
Yeah, okay? I don't actually mean it, Mr.
Thank you, sir.
Mr.
Thank you, sir.
Senator and
Thank you.
Rapi Tulfo, Senator Rapi Tulfo and Senator Bongo.